Hi Achievers, welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say we are eating cookies. Be sure to watch the video to the end for a bonus tip. Ready? Please consider subscribing and let's go! Today we continue learning the verb to eat. Please keep in mind that there is no difference between we eat and we are eating in Russian. When we need to say we are eating, in Russian we say мы едим, where мы is we and едим is our eating. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word мы, which is Russian for we. The first sound is m and then goes y. Try saying e while pushing the tongue to the back of your mouth. Мы. Try saying it with me. Мы. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word едим, which is Russian for are eating. The first sound is ye, then we have d, then goes e, and m. And all together it's едим, which is Russian for are eating. Keep in mind that in Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Try saying it with me. Едим. Well done. So far we've learned how to say we are eating in Russian. Мы едим. Do you remember what is Russian for we? Мы. What about are eating? Едим. Excellent. And the last new word for today is печенье. Печенье, which is Russian for cookies. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word печенье. The first sound is p, then goes ye, then we have ch, then we have ye, n, soft sign, and soft sign makes the preceding letter sound soft. So we have n and ye at the end. And all together it's печенье. Печенье. Try saying it with me. Печенье. Excellent. Today you've learned how to say we are eating cookies. Мы едим печенье. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! Мы is we, едим is are eating, печенье is cookies. Едим, едим. Мы, печенье, печенье. Едим. Do you remember where the other едим is? Excellent. Мы. Do you know where the other мы is? Well done. Печенье. Печенье. Well done, Achievers! Next time you and your friends are eating cookies, you can say it in Russian. Мы едим печенье. Where мы is we, едим is are eating, and печенье is cookies. And here is your bonus tip. The phrase мы хотим печенье doesn't make it clear how much we actually want. We need to specify some way we are measuring that. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A Plus Russian.